Okay, umumva ngathanza kuvusela nje babukele emakhaya sibabongele futhi again bafana labancane ma-under 17 la khona ngala eHawane namhle emajotini sidlala sibuka imidlalo leya saya ngasemaphethelweni namhlanje sikhuluma sesidlala igame yes5 next week siyocedzela iba yes6 bese singena ama-Chamber of Champions namhla ke ngala ngathi iMahebedla Atletico ikhombisa kuba ngibo champagne labatawumelela izone yangala emajotini. So we're looking forward to a final letaba khona mhla ka-14 ekhathi ePrince of Wales. So nyalo nje sikhuluma ukuthi ema-games sesibuke igame inye egcina letaba isekhona kaMsunduza. Singhub Utility Stores, we're still encouraging the youngsters to continue batimisela kuma-activities lafana njengalawo. La khombisa ukuthi encourage abamfana ukuthi kube khona something productive le influencer future yabo. Namhla singakhuluma ukuthi ngihub uveta lokho lokuncane esivenu return on investment to these young kids, but siyathi ukuthi deep down we planting a fruit lesitawu multiply kaningi. These are kids bama-under 17 kepha kusasa we never know what they have in hand. Hub Utility Stores still take pride to be part of such games and abe khona good development le njengalena. Siyabonga.